Hey guys, it's Crystal aka QueeenBRZ back with another video for you. So today I'm going to be installing LED lights into my 350Z, so stay tuned to see which lights I went with. Huge shout out to LASFIT for allowing me to try out their LED lights. I'm super excited. So starting off with the turn signal lights, I have the LED reverse lights and then the LED dome lights. And I'm really excited to see how they compare to the stock lights. They haven't been changed, so I will show you before and after. So the perks of having these lights is they come with a built-in resistor versus if I went with another brand, I would have to buy an external resistor in order to avoid that hyper flashing of lights, which I definitely don't want. Not to mention these do have a built-in cooler, so I just get the highest quality of light possible. These are the ultimate set it and forget it lights, so definitely you're getting the best bang for your buck, and these would be the ones to go for, and I will show you what they look like. So without further ado guys, let's get these installed. So these are the original lights right over here compared to our new LASFIT lights, and you can see they're clearly a lot brighter than the OEM. Next we're going to do the reverse. And you can see night and day, very bright versus that very dim kind of yellow tint. So definitely LED is the way to go. And I do love the way that they look. Very, very bright, looking beautiful. Again, best bang for your buck right there. And it saves you a whole step with the resistor. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start the install with the reverse and turn signal LED lights. So we started by using my remover tool to get these little clips off of the 3 points here. So once I did that, I'm going to go ahead and use my 10mm socket to take these bolts out. Awesome. And then I'm gonna have to go through my remover tool again just to get this out. Awesome. So in order to make this easier, I am going to detach this clip just to get this out of the way. Okay, and then set this off to the side. Okay guys, so in order to show you where the two bulbs are that you need to take off, I'm going to take over and try my best to show you with the light. Alrighty guys, so this is probably one of the worst angles, but if you can kind of see right in the right corner, you can kind of see a gray kind of knob that you turn counterclockwise, and that is for the turn signal. For the reverse lights, it's actually going to be to the far left of the screen. Let me try to get my light in there a little bit better. Far left of the screen, and it's a little also knob that you turn counterclockwise. Okay, so I wish I could show you guys, but like I said, it was really hard to see, so I'm going to go in and remove the turn signal. And what I do is I put my fingers on the two knobs, turn it counterclockwise, and I have it out. You can see the little tip of it right here. Now what I want to do is remove the bulb from the attachment, and again, you want to be really careful because this is glass, and the worst thing would be for it to break in your hand. And I think I just pulled out the bulb. Cool, awesome, we're all set. And now to get the LASFIT LED bulb in there, and this one's going to be 7440A. So really simple install. I'm just going to take out the bulb and put it right in its place, like so. It clips in perfectly, and then I'm going to twist it back in. Okay, so now I'm just going to put it back into the socket that I took it out of, and it is a little longer, so you do have to push a few things aside to get it in. And to lock it into place, once it's in place, I just turn it clockwise. And it feels nice and secure. So now to take out the reverse light side. Okay, found it. Turn it counterclockwise. Okay, so now the bulb is out. I have to remove that bulb and then put in the LED light. Okay, now to take the reverse light out. This one is a little tighter, so in order to avoid it breaking in your hand, you want to kind of wiggle it from side to side until it pops right out. Setting that off to the side, and then I'm going to take the reverse LED light and just pop it right into its place. Awesome, and now that's right in there. Now to get it back in, the fun part. Okay, so I see where it's supposed to go, and it's in the socket. I'm sorry that I can't show you. And then turn it to the right. And just make sure it's secure. Hold up. Perfect. So now that's all locked into place. Again, really simple install. I think the hardest thing is trying to get your hands to find the right place. But yeah, so now those are installed. You know what they look like, the before and after, so let's get the interior ones installed. Now to install the dome lights, so I'm gonna get into the car so we can get this started. Alrighty guys, so this is also a really easy install. What I did was I popped this out from right up here. I detached the plug that was plugged into right here. And now just to switch out the LED lights. So these are what the lights are going to look like. These just pop off really easily. I'm going to use my little tool. I don't think I even needed it. So like that. And then I would replace this light with the LED light. So let me just pop off both sides. I'm going to use my tool to gently pop this out. Like so. And then I will replace it with the LED light. So here's a little comparison of the two. You'll notice that this has a heat sink wrapped around it, which is obviously really, really awesome. It has these LED chips and then a 6K bright white LED light, which is going to be really great. And the heat sink is also very good to extend the life of the LED light. So without further ado guys, I'm just going to put this in, but you get the gist. Alrighty, so I guess it goes in like so. Just clips right in there, and you can see the before and after. So let me just switch out the other one really fast. I'm really excited about these, especially for the nighttime. It's the worst is having such a dim light at night and you can't find anything in your car, which is my current struggle. So I'm really excited for this. Let me just, oh, that's my tool. Okay, pop this one out really, really fast. Got that out, and then put the new one in. Super simple. Now I have them in like that, so let me just get everything back together. I will put everything back in so that you can see what it looks like. Ooh! I'm blind. Oh. Oh! Wow! So blind. They're good! Okay everyone, so you saw it for yourself. The before and after just speaks for itself. The new LED lights from LASFIT are amazing. I love them and I'm really looking forward to seeing how they shine in the night. Huge shout out to Emma from LASFIT for letting me try these out. Emma, I love them, and for anybody who's been interested in these lights or maybe looking for some new LED lights, these are the ones that I would go for. And I'm gonna hype these up as much as I can because I'm impressed and I love them and I think it's the best bang for your buck. I'm really looking forward to possibly trying some headlights because I know they offer those, and if I can get my hands on some, I will definitely film a video for you and let you know how I like them. But before I close out today, I have a little bit of something for my BRZ that I wanted to show you. Okay guys, so last thing of the day today, I'm so sad. I'm actually going to be removing my Cherry Blossom decal to put some louvers on that I showed you in my last video. So give me a hot second and I'll get these off and then I will show you how the louvers look. So I guess just a tip for removing any decals that you have on your car, a razor blade, some water, and some really hot temperature outside makes it slide right off. So fortunate about that, in case you didn't know already. Okay guys, so my heart is now a little bit broken and everything is all off and ready for me to put on my cheap little eBay louvers. So I'm, again, for those who don't like louvers, I understand, I'm sorry. I like the way that they look. I just want to see if I like them, which is why I bought them so cheap. If I really do love them, then I'll go ahead and invest in some more high quality ones. But again, I just kind of wanted to test out the look since I feel like I'm the lame one at the car meets with like the most stock looking car, even though a lot of stuff is done to it. So let me show you again if you haven't seen my last video. This is what they look like. I actually got some like really cheap purple vinyl and I had it put on the ends of it just since I'm going for that purple galaxy look and I wanted it to look a little more girly and cool. So this is what they look like. I need to dust them off a little bit, but let me just do another test fit. Alright, so here's what it looks like. I wiped it down so it doesn't look so dusty. Yeah. It doesn't really come with any instructions, but I think it's pretty self-explanatory. Put it where it fits best and peel off the 3M tape and stick it on down. Okay guys, so QueeenBRZ advice of the day. Don't get shitty louvers on eBay. I'm so sad right now. So it didn't really come with any hardware. It was just a 3M tape, which I should have maybe just gotten more if I really wanted this to work, but obviously it's not really sticking the way that it should. So Crystal is so sad. But if it were to work, I mean, I guess it would look cool, and then you can see the cool purple vinyl that's on there. I really like that, but yeah, no, the louvers themselves are not really sticking. So I guess I have to go and try to get them to stick by buying some 3M tape to put on there. But this side is sticking better than the other side, which I'm not really sure why. Maybe it's just poor fitment. Don't know. Would I recommend going the cheap eBay route? No, don't do it. Again, I'm so sad about this louver fail. Definitely don't recommend cheap louvers on eBay.
24 hours later.
Alrighty everyone, so this couldn't have come at a more better time. I'm here at Caruse Design, actually test fitting some new designs for louvers, rear diffuser, and then side canards. And I'm so excited because obviously my fail was horrible and they look so sick. If you want to take a look around at these prototypes, sorry, I just saw a bug, but they look so good, guys. Check it out. Okay, so this design is actually very unique and unlike other designs. The creator, Alan, was actually trying to follow the roof line of the BRZ and make it very symmetrical, like having that wider look on the outside and then making it more narrow down on the inside. And it's just going to be such a great look, guys. I'm so excited. This is definitely, I mean, it's going to be made for the BRZs, FRSs, all the 86s, so I'm just so excited for this design. And these are so beautiful, so gorgeous. They're going to be coming, I believe, in two kinds of material, like carbon fiber and then like a plastic material. So I am just so excited for the final look, and I'm so honored to have been able to test fit this product. Looking a little bit more into the rear diffuser, so I'll try to show off these lines a little bit better. So what's really cool about this rear diffuser is similar to the louvers on the top following the lines of the car. This definitely follows the line of my car, and you can see that it actually fits it perfectly. So it's, I guess, enough to be like an OEM plus build, but you can tell that it's an aftermarket product, and it follows the whole concept that less is more. It's not too crazy and flashy. I see a lot of rear diffusers that stick out. They don't look like they fit well on the car, and this is definitely going to be a game changer for the rear diffuser market out there. I'm just really excited about it, and I love how perfectly everything fits. It seems that this is very flexible and can fit a lot of different exhausts. So I have the Arc Grip exhaust, and it fits obviously mine perfectly, and it is pretty big in size, so I can see it definitely working with a lot of exhaust. Okay, so for the rear canards, guys, you can see here that it does follow, let me get this. So it does follow the fender right down here, and it does fit in nicely, and a good point came up is that it kind of gives it that wider look from the back especially. I'm going to give it a side view so that you can see what the car looks like from the side as well. It looks so good, and just a reminder, these are the prototypes for the car, but gosh, just with the prototypes alone, it looks so good. It makes such a difference. So one last thing, I do have the 3D rendering of all these products on my BRZ, so I'm going to show you the images so you can see what the finished product is supposed to look like. And guys, do let me know what you think so I can give feedback to Caruse Design. But gosh, so far I'm just so impressed and so excited to see what the finished product is going to look like. Everything just looks so good so far, so let me know what you think. As always, if you like this video, do drop a like down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more content on all my cars, as well as updates on the Caruse Design designs, and I'll let you know when they are available and all that good stuff, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video today. Until next time, QueeenBRZ out.
I fall in love too easily. I fall in love too fast.